Everything I've done in my life up until now is boiled down to one music video. And I often say that now, that the least interesting part of me has been my career on screen. A video that is remembered 30 years later when we don't even remember an ad that we saw yesterday.
What is the first thing that kind of got you about Bombay?
I love the 90s in Bombay. I remember stopping at Haji Ali for getting
Pizza or
juice after
Yeah.
partying, and
I could only say that. There's just a limit to how much I can empathize.
absolutely. And I'm so glad that we need allies that like you, and we need men to actually be part of the conversation when we're talking about hormonal changes, perimenopause, menopause, which is treated. Detox is not just physical. Detox is emotional. We accumulate emotions. I got the biggest jhatka of my life, obviously being diagnosed with cancer, because I wasn't listening to me. And I'm not going to do that again.